In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop people from using your content on YouTube. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you do this on the YouTube web and not the YouTube app. So what you want to do, you want to go to your Chrome browser or your Safari browser. So once you get to your Chrome or your Safari, you want to go to www.youtube.com. So once you log into the YouTube website, you want to check the bottom right corner. You're going to see a profile icon over there. I want you to tap on that profile icon. So once you tap on that profile icon, it's going to bring you to this page. So if you check the top, you're going to see your name written over there. So I just want you to check under the name. You're going to see where it is written, where they wrote view channel. So I want you to tap on that view channel. So once you tap on view channel, it will bring you to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on customize channel. So once you tap on the customize channel, it will take you to your YouTube studio. So once you tap on that, it will bring you to this YouTube studio. So once you get to this your YouTube studio, I want you to check the bottom left corner. You're going to see a settings icon over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, it is going to pop up this little page for you. So if you check the left side, I want you to tap on upload default. So once you tap on upload default, I want you to check the right side and you want to select advanced settings. So let's tap on advanced settings. So once you tap on advanced settings, this is where you are going to do what you want to do. If you check here where it says license, if you tap on the license, you can see it says standard YouTube license or Creative Commons attribution. So I want you to make sure you select the standard YouTube license. Please, I say it again. Make sure you select the standard YouTube license. Once you select that, I want you to check the bottom right. You're going to see save over there. Just tap on that save and this will be saved successfully. So this will stop people from using your content. It will put copyright on all your videos on YouTube. So guys, this is how you can actually stop people from using your content or clipping your content on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.